Hi guys, this is Vidur and I'm a senior systems engineer in Juniper Networks for Mist Wireless. Today we'll try to understand how we can claim an access point in the Mist dashboard through various methods. Let me quickly go to the Mist dashboard, and you all know that I've already created a site named Vidur's Home in the org Vidur, and let's quickly go to the before we begin this, you need to create an account in Mist, which is through manage.mist.com, and create a site and an org before that. Now once you have the org and the site ready, which I've anyway explained in another video of mine, I'll paste the link in the description. You need to come to the dashboard and claim the access points and make sure you assign them to the right site and right org, right? So we'll go to the org here and click on inventory. You see this tab here. I'll click on this, quickly go to the inventory page, and here I can view the devices that I have on the org level or also on the site level, depending on how I want to view the access points or the switches or the gateways. Gateways are definitely the SRXS device, which are newly added to the Mist dashboard. uh, in my current org, I have two APs, which are one is connected, one is disconnected. Now if I want to claim an AP, I can do it through two ways here. One is the claim access point button. I'll click on the claim access point button. So now this depends on how you want to claim it. For example, if you are a customer, you placed an order for the access points, you will get one activation code, which will be connected to the entire bunch of access points that you have ordered. So one activation code is there. You can just enter that claim code or an activation code here and click on add. The moment you or and also you have an option to assign it to a particular site. Whatever APs you want to claim here, you can assign it to either a test site or with your home, whichever site you probably would have created before you want to add an AP, of course. And you can also just click on add here. Once you do that, this button will be there to be clicked. Click it, and then the APs will be claimed on this particular page. So it's a simple process. Click on claim APs, enter the activation code, select the site that you want to add it to, and you are able to claim the APs from here. Okay, that's good. That is one way of doing this. Once you have the APs here, you can actually just check that, and the moment you check an access point, I'll check this one. You get an option of more with a drop down menu. Once I do that, I can either assign it to one particular site or release the AP from the current site or rename the AP. It's all the good stuff that I want to do. Once I assign it to a site, if I click on assign it to a site, I can get an option to assign it to whichever site I want to, move it between different sites also if I want to, and that becomes very easy. So that's something which everybody should know how to do. Okay, that's one way. Now the second way, which is not through this particular dashboard, is through a mobile app. Okay, Mist has the Mist AI application, which is there for Android and also for the Apple users. You can find that in Play Store or in App Store. It's a very simple process. The moment you download the Mist AI app, anyway, I will give you a link of a document on the Mist site, which will help you, which will walk you through the entire process of claiming an access point through the application, right? So that's very much possible. That's even an easy way to do it. So if you have a phone, you're not near a laptop, you've done the day zero work of creating a Mist account, and then creating an org, and a site that you want, and then now finally receive an email with an activation code. You can just bring up your phone, download the Mist AI app. Once you download the application on your phone, you will get an option to do a login. Okay, that login you can use, same login which you use to create your org and your site. Once you enter your username and the password and click login, you will be taken to a page where your org can be viewed, right? Once you click on the org, you'll get three options, one of which would be claim an access point. Okay, once you click on claim an access point, you can either claim it through the activation code, that again you got it, or you also have an option to claim it through a QR code, which is printed at the back of an access point. If you turn the access point upside down, you will see a QR code there. Okay, which means with a single click, you are able to onboard an access point into your particular organization. Now you have an option of, in the Mist AI app, you get the option of a camera button there. The moment you click the camera button, your camera will be open, and you can scan your access points QR code, and the same will be added to your the same access point will be added to your particular org. Then once it's there, you can actually come here and assign it to a particular site that you want to, or even better, you can assign it to this to any site that you want to from the application also. So that's very much possible. So there are two ways. One is through the dashboard. Come here to org and inventory, claim the AP from here, enter the code and assign it to a site and click on claim. You're good to go. Second, do it through the mobile app, which is an even simpler process. Just log into your account in the Mist AI app, and click on claim the access point, and then scan the code or enter the activation code, whichever suits you, and you should be able to see that AP in the Mist dashboard here. Once you assign it to a particular site, you will be able to see the access point right here in the access point tab. So yeah, I'll be pasting the link of the document in which you'll see a step-by-step instructions of claiming the access point through the application. That's one. And I will also send or paste the link of the video that I've created to create the Mist account and the org and the site, which will be helpful for you to also go through. So I hope this was helpful, guys. This is pretty much what I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully this was helpful, and thank you so much for listening to this, and hope you have a good day.